Hello everybody, how are you? I'm fine, I'm Anna, here with you for another little bit of a Welsh lesson from Fairy Glen in North Wales, Fairy Glen Gorge. So come along and join us. Ta-ta for now. River in Welsh is Afon, and River Gorge, which is what Fairy Glen is Ceunant Afon. Tree is coeden, grass is glaswellt, water is dŵr, leaves is dail, grass is glaswellt. Now we met the landowner today that owns the land to the Fairy Glen Gorge, and she was telling us that this is an original Roman road that's not been worked on. It's the original one, and leading just down there to the right is the gorge. And the best information we found out today was Queen Victoria actually named Fairy Glen when she stopped for tea at this house, and this is all what remains of it, this chimney. She stopped for tea at this house on her way to Ireland. Chimney in Welsh is chimney. So Queen Victoria would have stood here, probably looking out down at what she then called Fairy Glen, which was at that point just a water gorge, a river gorge, but she named it Fairy Glen. So chimney is chimney, and bench in Welsh is mainc. And don't forget, leaves is dail, and tree is coeden, path is llwybr, and once again, chimney is chimney. It's hard to think that she would have stood here looking down at the river. It's such a very, very beautiful place, and it only costs £1 to get in if you pay the landowner. Signpost is a roedd bost, and here we are coming down to the bottom of Fairy Glen, the River Gorge, and we'll see what's going on down here. And down there you can see Alf with a green rucksack, and he met a man, and it's so dangerous down there. Apparently the man fell 5 times this morning. 5 in Welsh is pimp. On the rocks is ar y creigiau, and there's Alf climbing down. But we'll leave our Welsh lesson there for today, and we'll say ta-ta for now from Fairy Glen, named by the Queen of England, Queen Victoria, as she sat and had tea at that house that we saw the old chimney still left standing. We'll say ta-ta for now, and we'll see you on the next adventure or the next Welsh lesson. But don't forget to keep practicing, and we'll see you soon. Ta-ta for now. Nos da.